In this Bluehost WordPress hosting review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of Bluehost WordPress hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, customer support, along with providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning WordPress website using Bluehost on its web hosting service. I'll also providing you with a Bluehost discount that would get you up to 75% off web hosting plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Bluehost. Bluehost was launched in 2003 and is recommended by WordPress.org. Bluehost and WordPress have worked together since 2005. Bluehost is also a top-tier provider known for outstanding site speed and uptime. Bluehost provides comprehensive tools for all, whether you're a beginner or an expert. You'll have access to AI-powered tools and everything you need to effortlessly create and launch impressive WordPress websites. Bluehost powers millions of websites and is trusted by 2 million users. For this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the Bluehost WordPress hosting plans. Bluehost offers 4 different plans on its WordPress hosting service, consisting of the Basic Plan, Choice Plus Plan, Online Store Plan, and Pro Plan. You get the Basic Plan for as low as $199 a month, and the plan renews at $799 a month. The Choice Plus Plan you'll get for as low as $399 a month, and the plan renews at $1399 a month. The Online Store Plan you can get for as low as $745 a month, and it renews at $1899 a month. The Pro Plan you can get for as low as $999 a month, and it renews at $2099 a month. All 4 hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificates, free domain name for the first year, web application firewall, DDoS protection, free CDN by Cloudflare with Argo Routing, AI site creation tools, and 24/7 support. The Basic Plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus Plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus Plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The Online Store Plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by WonderCart. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Pro plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost Online Store Plan provides. The Pro Plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 1,000 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, along with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. After you select your WordPress hosting plan, you'll be on the domain page, where you can choose your free domain name for your site. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose My Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Now let's go over everything that is included with your Bluehost WordPress hosting plan. You get Bluehost Wondersuite. Thanks to smart AI tools, you can set up in minutes and get a fully customized, ready-to-go site. You get support and guidance. Let Bluehost experts guide you in building, growing, and managing your WordPress site effectively. You get faster performance. Bluehost ranks in top tier for hosting performance, delivering 75% faster response times. You get WordPress pre-installed. Bluehost automatically installs the latest, most secure version of WordPress for you. You'll be able to customize without limits by having complete freedom with WordPress, fully customizable themes, AI tools, and powerful plugins. You get Managed WordPress, so you can keep your site optimized and protected as Bluehost handles updates and ensures smooth performance. You get a free domain name for the first year. You get NVMe storage. Bluehost server infrastructure features Dell rack mount servers equipped with powerful AMD EPYC chips, DDR5 RAM, and ultra-fast NVMe storage. You'll benefit from MySQL 8, and the latest PHP version, all optimized for outstanding performance. You'll have access to expert classes completely free, going over everything from the introduction to WordPress, getting started, customizing your site, creating content in the block editor, structuring your site, managing your WordPress site, WordPress SEO, and the story behind WordPress. Now let's go over the backend and control panel of Bluehost. Once signed up, this is what the Bluehost Control Panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. You'll see cPanel email. Click this to create a new email account. If you click websites and then click settings under the website, you can access a bunch of features like security, backups, speed, and more. You'll see your Bluehost name servers listed here. Now let's cover the cPanel. To get to the cPanel, click the Advanced tab, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see cPanel. Click the Manage button. You'll now be in the cPanel page. When it comes to security, Bluehost has you covered. Bluehost offers free SSL certificates by Let's Encrypt, which is included with all plans. You can purchase a premium SSL certificate by Komodo with a $10,000 warranty for safe transactions. CodeGuard Backup will protect your work with daily automated backups, monitoring, and one-click restore. SiteLock safeguards your site from hackers, malware, and downtime. When it comes to customer support, Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support via chat and phone. Bluehost also offers a support knowledge base that has guides, tutorials, and answers to questions that you might have, which can be helpful. When it comes to performance, Bluehost has you covered. You'll have access to the Cloudflare CDN, which enhances website performance and reduces load times, leading to better user experiences, improved SEO, and higher conversion rates. You'll have access to caching technology. Server-level caching speeds up web page delivery, boosting your site's load times. You'll have NVMe storage. You'll be able to experience superior performance with Dell servers powered by AMD EPYC chips, DDR5 RAM, and ultra-fast NVMe storage, alongside MySQL 8 and the latest PHP. Now let's go over the site speed and performance of Bluehost. For this test, I used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 1.3 seconds. Great website performance. I also did a performance test, and here's the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Great performance. In conclusion, Bluehost offers a robust and user-friendly hosting solution ideal for both beginners and experienced users. With its one-click WordPress installation, reliable uptime, and 24/7 customer support, it stands out as a solid choice for anyone looking to create a WordPress site. The integration with WordPress and tailored features like automated updates and free domain registration simplify the setup process significantly. If you're seeking a dependable host with solid performance and great support, I highly recommend Bluehost for your WordPress hosting needs. I hope you enjoyed this Bluehost WordPress hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.